ADB-PRC and welcome to Nanning. I am really glad to see so many countries represented at this important workshop, and it is indeed.
You know, the ADB has the mandate to support the regional cooperation. And we do think that the regional cooperation is an important instrument to help our developing member countries to fight against the impact from COVID crisis. One of the major outputs of the TA is to support South-South knowledge sharing on selected high-priority topics. Workshop today is actually one of the topics we selected, which supports sustainable tourism development after COVID-19. Number one, all the developing member countries have recovered very strongly from the COVID crisis. Number two, there is a wide recognition that the tourism industry can play a key role in supporting post-pandemic economic recovery and long-term economic growth, and also achieve SDGs. The third is, moving forward, there's a need for new model for tourism development. So innovation is the key. The last takeaway, international organizations like the ADB, we can play an important role in supporting our DMC's efforts. Based on the feedbacks from our DMCs, we will do a further scoping study to identify potential opportunity for future investment, which can be taken by ADB, governments, or other development partners. Another is that we will continue to organize for regional knowledge sharing on development of sustainable tourism. 欢迎欢迎，叫做昂首，昂首是欢迎。
As you may know that Guangxi is called Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region. So Zhuang ethnic group is one of the major population here. This is a pillow, and this is a little boy of Zhuang ethnic group. You can see his costume. This is a typical Zhuang pattern. You can use it on your costume.
And these are all made by students?
Yeah.
All made by students. Wow, yes. Very nice. What do you think of this visit?
It's very interesting. It goes to show you what regional cooperation and integration can do. Like they were explaining their cooperation with Myanmar, Thailand. I hope we can replicate this with other countries and other sub-regions programs. I actually like the dresses. It's maybe a little bit costumey, but the others are very wearable. I hope they can really use e-commerce and promote this in the world.